What's up fam, this is Abel from TechNave. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and hands-on on the OPPO F7. Yeah. So this is the OPPO F7, the one we have is the red model, and compared with the F5, this is a lot more glassier. And being sandwiched by glossy glass together from both sides, it's very prone to fingerprints. When I do this, you can already see it's already attached there, so I have to constantly wipe just for you guys in this unboxing and hands-on video. It's very nice to look at though. And on the front, it's using a 6.23-inch display in Super FHD Plus resolution. That means you can watch your YouTube videos in 1080p. And moving on, OPPO 7 is apparently carrying MediaTek's latest P60 processor. This is a new mid-range chipset, and it's said that it's able to play games quite well. We haven't really tested that, so stay tuned for that. But of course, the highlight of this phone is the front camera. It's using a 25 megapixel with a Sony IMX576 sensor. And you know, camera user interface is just like Apple's as always. But looking at the top here, apparently there are some options for you to play around. You got the HDR, this must be the bokeh mode. And this is Super Vivid On, which is a new feature that's not been seen in the F5. And here I suppose is a shutter mode, and it allows you to put up to 10 seconds. This is not bad, I would say. And last but not least, this allows you to have a full screen of taking pictures. We also taken the liberty to take some selfie samples just for you guys. Here's our colleague taking a selfie of herself with the bokeh mode on. I must say that the bokeh mode is quite good, as it doesn't really create some sort of an invisible shield around her head. So there's a thumbs up for OPPO. And here in this picture, our colleague used a super vivid mode, and you can tell compared with the previous pictures, her hair color is a lot more deeper. It's even affecting her hand right here, which has changed color somehow. I mean, it's not completely, but you can tell. And you know, maybe for shooting selfies in some kind of a model shot, this isn't so bad, and I don't see any complaints about this. So why not, right? Oh my god, my eyes. Okay, so that's all fam. Thanks for watching our video. Stay tuned for a future review at technave.com. We'll see you guys next time.